Recently, I had the chance to participate in a 19-day wildlife research techniques training program with 13 other trainees, which was organized by the Friends of Nature organization supported by Bernard Theis Stiftung, Acrodates, Millennium Community Homestay, Paisegauda. This experience allowed me to develop myself in the field of wildlife research, camera trapping, data collection, data analysis, presentations, and much more. In this video, I will summarize my 19-day journey in the WRTT. On the morning of November 8, 2024, my journey began towards Syangja from Kathmandu, where our training was to take place. All 14 trainees were present at homestay along with Suman Sapkota sir, Binay Ghimire sir, and Balkumar Gurung sir. An introduction and orientation program was conducted and assignments were given. On the second and third days, we learned camera trap setup in the field along with equipment demonstration necessary for research and data collection. We installed a total of 8 camera traps in the field. From the 4th to the 9th day, we had theory classes only, meaning no field related work. The best part of this was the wealth of knowledge we gained. On the 4th day, we had a full day of SPSS training by Narayan Panti sir. On the 5th day, Mr. Raju Acharya sir, the founder and executive director of the Friends of Nature organization, conducted sessions on owl and his experiences. On the 6th day, Dr. Indra Prasad Subedi sir conducted an online session on ant research. Dr. Rajesh Rai sir conducted an online session on research design. Mr. Kumar Paudel sir conducted an online session on wildlife crime and trade, and Mr. Sonam Tasilama sir conducted an online session on red panda related research. On the 7th day, Dr. Prem Raj Newpani sir conducted an online session on proposal writing. Dr. Rajesh Rai sir conducted an online session on social survey. Mr. Rahul Ranjan sir conducted an online session on aquatic ecosystems, particularly fish-related research. Mr. Sanjan Thapa sir conducted an online session on bat-related research. Mr. Binay Ghimire sir shared his thesis on birds, and Mr. Vikas Ghimire sir shared his journey in wildlife. On the 8th day, Dr. Dipesh Pakurel sir conducted an online session on plant research. Mr. Lasman Paudel sir conducted an online session on wildlife crime and wildlife conservation in Nepal. Mr. Yadav Prasad Ghimire sir shared his journey in wildlife. Mr. Umesh Shrestha sir conducted an online session on misinformation journalism. Mr. Suman Sapkota sir shared his thesis on frogs, and Miss Sujata Shrestha shared her thesis presentation and experience. On the 9th day, we had a full day of ArcGIS mapping training by Mr. Suman Sapkota sir. Mrs. Barsha Adhikari shared her thesis on bat, and Mr. Ashish Basyal sir conducted an online session on crocodilians research in Nepal. On the 10th, 11th and 12th day, we learned bird watching, identification and data analysis techniques with Mr. Binay Ghimire sir, and had an online session with Dr. Hemsagar Bral sir, who shared his experiences. On the 13th and 14th day, we learned butterfly collection, identification and preservation techniques with Mr. Surendra Pariyar sir. On the 15th, 16th, 17th and 18th day, we learned herpetofauna and mammal surveying and identification techniques with Professor Karan Bahadur Saha sir. On the 18th day, we extracted camera trap from the field, had a certificate distribution, displayed camera trap footage and had recreation. On the 19th day, we returned to Kathmandu from Syangja. Last but not least, I learned many things from this training, such as presentation skills, drama, PowerPoint, poster paper, various field techniques, and much more. For the success of this training, I would like to thank the organizers, sponsors, supporters, tutors, trainees, my family, friends, and my viewers who stay until the end of this video. Once again, thank you all.